Welcome back. Goa government has made no objection certificate from mining department mandatory for the port authorities to release export vessels. Government took the step as some mining operators were found to be increasingly evading the duty after a rise in the levies since August 2009.
The captain of ports has been issued direction to allow a vessel carrying ore to set sail only on submission of a no objection certificate from the Department of Mines. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath had informed in the assembly that the department has taken steps to curb the evasion of royalty. Director of Mines Arvind Loilekar said, and I quote, "Steps taken by state government to strengthen the modalities of recovering evaded royalty by some exporters after telling production figures and export figures should not be misconstrued as a ban on iron ore exports." Goa had last year exported nearly 45 million tons of iron ore. Around one-fourth of this comes from neighbouring Karnataka. Goa's problem, therefore, is not of illegal mining, but of mismatch of exports and ore production and royalty collection. The department has selected geologists to tally the balance sheet submitted by the exporters for production or sourcing of iron ore for duty payment with the figures of GMOEA and the major and the minor ports. Secretary of Goa Mineral Ore Exporters Association Glenn Kalvampara said, and I quote, "We welcome the government's stand as it helps streamlining the system and fixing a mechanism to curb royalty evasion. One should make a difference between traditional iron ore exporters who are themselves demanding regulation and the large number of traders who have sprouted in last few years following a boom in the Chinese market. It would be interesting now to see how effectively and efficiently the captain of ports bring the orders into force." Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Spirit of Freedom, a film festival based on patriotic films, is screened for 3 days in the state. The festival commenced on Wednesday and will continue till Friday at Ravindra Bhavan in Marga and Makine's Palace in Panji.
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है, देख सकता है तो भी देख ले आसमां, हौसला ये देख के खातिर बड़ी मुश्किल में है।
All these films, The Legend of Bhagat Singh, Border, Sardar and Hakikat, are screened at Makine's Palace in Panji and Ravindra Bhavan at Madgaon. This 3-day festival will go on till 13th of August. The film festival is organized by Entertainment Society of Goa.
मत भूलो मैंने फौज में कमीशन लेते वक्त भी एक कसम खाई थी। हिंदुस्तान की सरजमीन में जन्म लिया था तब भी एक कसम खाई थी। इस मिट्टी की कसम खाई थी जिसमें खेलकर मेरा बचपन जवान हुआ, और उस हिमालय की कसम भी खाई थी जो 5000 बरसों से मेरे वतन की सरहदों की हिफाजत कर रहा है। उन 50 करोड़ भाई बहनों की कसम खाई थी जो मेरी तरह इस मिट्टी की कोख से पैदा हुए हैं।
The country will proudly celebrate the 63rd year of independence on 15th August. This is an initiative by the ESG to remember the martyrs who fought for our freedom and our mother India.
कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
There is a need to create a sense of curiosity among students in science. Therefore, this can be done by creating science clubs in schools for teachers and students. And this is what Prasar Vigyan is aiming to do.
Vigyan Prasar, in union with the State Council for Science and Technology and Directorate of Education, is organizing a 3-day interactive workshop for teachers. Vigyan Prasar is a constituent of the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. The workshop, titled Development of Synergetic Framework and Mechanism for Establishment of Science Club in the state of Goa, is being held at Goa Science Centre. Around 100 teachers are participating in the workshop. The workshop is focused towards the establishment of science clubs for students in Goa.
Basically, to inculcate a scientific temperament and encourage their creative abilities it is necessary to form science clubs in the schools, and to formulate or to develop this kind of activity in Goa. This workshop has been organized for teachers.
Dr. B.K. Tyagi, who is a scientist at Prasar Vigyan, explained the aim is to create a sense of curiosity among students in science.
It is basically a platform to satisfy one's own curiosity, which is generally we found is not available in our formal education system. So you can say it is an outlet for the creativity, for the curiosity, for curious instinct of student to satisfy on the platform of science club. So it's basically providing a platform to students and teachers as well.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Shan.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.